The film is about youth. There are two gangs. One is the Bichu gang and one is the Eagles gang. And they're fighting over a part of land. And they both think it belongs to them for no reason. You just believe it's my land. The nicest part of the film is that the issue of guns. You know, it's not like in Hindi film, everybody has a gun. You know, there is one gun in the film. They are gang fighting, they fight, and the cops come, they become straight and run away. They're scared of each other also. They run away from each other. It's not key, they just keep on fighting. A character whose name is Max, or lovingly called Maxi. Max is a kind of a gunda of the area, and he's the boss of his gang, which is called the Eagles. And he has an attitude problem. He's always going against authority.
मैं उस फिल्म में एक राउडी कैरेक्टर, रास्ते का लफंगा प्ले कर.
Nobody messes with him because everybody knows that Max will come and beat you up. Max is a tough guy. He's always getting into fights, and he believes that whatever you need to do, you do it with, you know, because you've got control over people. I'm wearing an earring, I've got a bandana, I wear jackets, I ride motorbikes. I've never done a look like this in a film. And he's very cool and he's very relaxed. It's not that he, at a drop of a hat, gets angry and shouts and screams and raves and rants.
मेरा और शाहरुख का इंट्रोडक्शन जो सीन है, it's amazing.
And there's a sense of humor, but it's not my kind of sense of humor which I do in normal films. It is more of a situation humor and not just enacted humor. You know, it's not playing for comedy. The situation is funny and it's not ha-ha funny. You know, so it's just simple. You can get a smile on your face, kind of thing.
It was a personal choice. I felt that I saw more of Shah Rukh in the character. Shah Rukh is playing the leader of one, and Sharad is playing the other.
Sharad, he is pitted against Shah Rukh Khan, और थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव शेड है उसमें, लेकिन उसने भी बहुत अच्छा काम किया है अपने रोल में.
The story is about a brother-sister relationship. And when you normally make films about a girl and a boy who love each other. So here are a boy and girl who love each other, but the relationship is of a brother and sister.
Shirley enjoys the attention, but she's always lived with her brother. So she is a kind of mix of a tomboy and a girl who's partially aware of her charm.
Who's a twin sister, so to say. Not identical twins, but we are twins. Aishwarya is playing that role. Her name is Shirley.
So she's constantly up with that kind of masti. It's not badly meant. I mean, she's not chalu, but she enjoys the masti of attention only to enjoy the masti of what the boys as a gang do, and that's, you know, sort of get back at all the boys who give her attention. So there's actually a very alive tomboy in her.
She enjoys, she's one of the gang. Or I think she's the only lady member of the gang. But वैसे ही jacket, वैसे ही jeans, shorts, और वो बदमाश जैसी हैं उनके साथ ही. मतलब she is part of the whole गुंडागर्दी, harmless गुंडागर्दी. Fights भी वो देखती हैं, लेकिन fight नहीं करती उसमें कोई.
मंसूर ने और हमने डे वन से सोचा था कि इस रोल में हम ऐश्वर्या राय को लेते हैं. तब तक ऐश्वर्या ने कोई फिल्म साइन नहीं की थी. उस वक्त भी हमने डिसाइड कर लिया था, क्योंकि ऐश का जो लुक था वो फिल्म के लिए परफेक्ट था.
Very simple, very Catholic. I've done very little where makeup is concerned. The hair are in like curls, and just left shaggy and dishevelled. Not too many hairstyles. And in terms of skin tone, made it slightly tanned, as would be of a girl who lives in that society, constantly exposed to sun, living by the beachside as is. So, कहानी है इन दो characters की.
It's about her love story with Chandrachud, and it's about his hate story with Sharad Kapoor.
In Josh, I'm playing a multifaceted personality. I'm an educated young boy who's enterprising and wants to make a business. And I come to visit my family in Goa. I have a brother there who's Sharad Kapoor, Prakash. Shahruk's got a sister who he's very possessive about, who's Aishwarya.
उनका प्यार एक ऐसे लड़के से होता है जो बहुत सिंपल और स्वीट और डाउन टू अर्थ है.
चंद्रचूड़ भोला भाला घर का अच्छा बच्चा लेकर.
The thing is that I don't believe in violence. I think it's childish. So I come to this place and I see this beautiful girl and I want to woo her. And she thinks I'm one of the crazy admirers that she has.
We are the romantic angle of the film, and that too is an intrinsic part of the story.
She changes into a sweeter girl, लेकिन उसमें sweet में ऐसा नहीं है कि साड़ी पहनने लग जाती हैं या सिर कवर करने लगती रहती, वही लड़की हैं वो जो चेंज है विदाउट चेंजिंग द कॉस्ट्यूम एंड क्लोथ्स। तो बहुत खूबसूरती से किया है उन्होंने।
Chandrachud and Aishwarya managed to fall in love.
There's one scene I like very much in the film because it shows the kind of person Rahul is all about. Max and Rahul, there's a confrontation between us both.
I play the role of a Goan Christian girl in this film, who's the girl who's got Shah Rukh in love with her. She's always trying to show that she's not impressed with him, and the more he tries to impress her, the more she gets, how shall I say, the more pricey she acts. It's a very fun-loving kind of a role, but it's somebody who's very respectful, who's very, who's Miss High and Mighty sort of a thing, who doesn't like nonsense around. She does actually enjoy all the attention she gets from him, and she enjoys all the things he does to impress her. Any young girl you see today, who's not saying a yes immediately.
When you go through a particular age period, you feel that you must need to fight to prove to yourself that you're a man, and you need to be in a gang maybe at times.
The music is very funky. It's very happening. It's very now. It's very futuristic, and it's very melodic, and it's very catchy.
I love Hi Mera Dil because it's got a very pretty lilt, very pretty lilt.
मेरा फेवरेट है हाय मेरा दिल।
I like Sahil Zarur Like Hai. I think that's a wonderful song. It's going to be playing on all the discos in India.
And I want a song, an attitude song. And I was looking at Mansoor. And I said, Mansoor, I got it. तो बोला what? I said, साइला रे. तो दूसरा बोले क्या बोला फिर बोले रे.
He always had this thought of a tapori kind of a song which is just spoken words and I will speak it.
It's very difficult to point a single one. I mean, Apun Bola is fun.
क्योंकि उस गाने में कैरेक्टर की आवाज़ का एक्सप्रेशन ज़रूरी था।
शाहरुख worked very hard to get his key right. And अगर कोई टेक अच्छी नहीं होती मतलब मैं वापस करूँ क्या? मैं वापस करूँ. And she is sung very well.
इस तरह की मेलोडी जैसा मेरा मानना है कि बाकी गाने आते हैं और चले जाते हैं, बट मेलोडियस गाने जो होते हैं, इस गाने की राइटिंग के अलावा जो इसकी बेसिक कंपोजिशन है बहुत स्ट्रांग है। जैसा लोग कह रहे हैं कि नंबर 1 पे म्यूजिक चल रहा है इसका, उसके पीछे एक ही रीजनिंग है क्योंकि इस पिक्चर का म्यूजिक नया है।
Different kind of movies and interesting cinema to our audience who's ever searching for, varied storylines.
क्योंकि ये फिल्म बहुत एंटरटेनिंग भी है और इसमें काफ़ी मैसेजेस भी हैं जो ऑडियंस सोचेगी उसके बारे में।
जोश भी अलग है और अगर एक्सपेरिमेंट ठीक होगा तो बाजीगर हो सकती है।